Yeah, good morning. This question is from the chapter of current electricity. If you see the question is about a resistor which is connected to a battery and the heating of the resistor happens. Now, the question is due to the heating effect of current, what happens to the which aspect does not change due to heating. So let's talk about each one of them. The first one is drift velocity. So if you notice, see drift velocity, if you increase the temperature due to heating, the drift velocity will reduce because the motion of the electron will become random, right? And which means its mobility will go down. It will not go through straight, but it will get scattered within the lattice of the conductor. All right, so let's go to part two. If you talk about resistance, see in metals, the conduction band, the conduction band and valence band, they overlap. Okay, in metals, these two overlap. If you increase the temperature, there is a overcrowding of electrons in the conduction band. Too many electrons reach the conduction band. This also reduces mobility. If the mobility goes down, the resistance also increases. So due to drift velocity, the resistance increases. The that is the temperature increases, the drift velocity increases. The temperature increases, the resistance increases. And the same is true for resistivity also, right? The property of the material undergoes a change, and you might have seen the formula rho is equal to rho naught 1 plus alpha T, right? This alpha in case of semiconductors is negative, but in the case of metals, it is positive, the temperature coefficient. Now let's talk about electron density. See, electron density cannot change because it is a material, for example, copper. Now you cannot change the copper's basic characteristic and property, which is electron density, N I, right? Or Ne, as you can say. So the only choice which I feel is uh, not getting impacted by increase in temperature is electron density. Rest of them are getting impacted by the temperature and the value of the resistance goes up. So the answer should be 4. You must ensure that you study about mobility. You can watch my videos on mobility, and you can watch, do some derivations also around mobility, Ohm's law, relaxation time. That is very useful, and many questions in entrance examination are based on that. So thank you very much for your time, and wait for my next video.